Yes, Jai Mata Di everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is R for Rohit Arora Sir Classes. In my channel, there are lots of videos regarding the MATLAB programs and regarding the DSP, digital signal processing topics, and also regarding the basics of electronics engineering subject videos. Okay, if you think that my video is very good for you, then press like button, and if you want more videos, then subscribe my channel. Now today's topic is circular convolution. In this I will tell you about the MATLAB command, MATLAB code of this circular convolution. And before starting this MATLAB code, I will tell you about the formula of the circular convolution. The formula of the circular convolution is this one. Okay. In this case, the value n varies from 0 to capital N minus 1, x1 and x2n, m minus n mod of n. Okay. Now, first value is, in this case, if the sequence is 1 1 2 2 and second sequence is 1 2 3 4. Okay, I will also take this sequence so that you will clarify the answer with these solutions. Okay, in this first result is x30 is 15 and x31 is 17 and next is 15 and next is 13. Okay, and after that I will tell you that the circular convolution by the help of this process. Okay, I think everybody aware about this process. In this is my first sequence and this is my second sequence. Now in the case of this, first step is that to fold the sequence number 2. Okay, this sequence number 2 and folded the values. Okay, this 4 and 2 changes the values. Then after that multiply this sequence and you will get the result, this one. Okay, multiply these two and you will get this one, and so on. Then after that add these four values and you will get the answer, that is 15. Now in the next step, anti-clockwise direction, take one minus position, then after that second, and same process, multiply and add, and you will get the answer, that is 17, and 15 next is your 13. Okay, now I will tell you about this process, circular convolution of the by the help of this formula. Okay, now let's start with the MATLAB code on a MATLAB 2020. Okay, now first of all, take a percentage for comment, and I write the program to implement code of circular convolution. Okay, start with CLC, clear all. Okay, clear all, close all. Now after that enter the sequence. Okay, or input values. X is equal to, I am taking 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2. Okay, 2. Next is H is equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay, now after that take the length of first sequence, length of second sequence. Okay, or if you I will show the result. Okay, if I remove this semicolon, then in a command window, this one. Okay, n2 is 4, it means the total length of the sequence is 4, and same is in the case of n1 also. Okay, if you write this semicolon, then no result in the command window. Okay, now after that take a total length of the sequence. I am taking the total length is capital N. Okay, by the help of this command maximum of n1 comma n2. Then after that I will take if command. If n1 is less than n2, okay, x is equal to x comma zeros, it means padding. How much it is? 1 comma n minus n1. Okay, now end it. Again start with the loop. If n1 is greater than n2, then h is equal to okay, clear? You can take semicolon also, and after that take a output variable, that is y, and it write in a form of zeros. Okay, now after that start with a for loop for m equal to 0 n minus 1, for n equal to 0 n minus 1. Now after that, okay, after that take output y bracket m plus 1, because I am start with a 0, so that I am taking m plus 1 equal to y m plus 1 plus x n plus 1. Then after that dot multiply h. Now in this case take mode function. Okay, in the starting I show the formula also. Now for this, what I will do, I am taking the next variable z is equal to mode function. In this case it define like that. Okay, now this is z plus 1, you can take it. Okay, then after that you can also apply this semicolon. Now end it, and after that use stem command for the output. Stem command, after that label this part x label. In the case of this x label, you write it, it's output, okay, xn into hn. Okay, y label, in the case of this y label, I take it the samples and title. title is circular convolution. If you want to display the result, simple display bracket, and in this case write it y equal to, and after that apply display, disp display and y. Okay, and check out the result. Okay, this is the final result. The result is 15, 17, 15 and 13. Okay, now what I will do, and you see that it's a 0, and why it is 0, which value is this one, it's a Z, and you can apply this semicolon also over there. Okay, this is my result. If you want to display, in a figure, then write it here. Use subplot command 2, 2, 1. Use stem command. Stem is X, and write it X label. In this case, it's a XN. Okay. Y label. It's a HN. And title. Okay, sorry. Title is this one. Title is XN. Now, in a x-axis, you can write it here n values, or in a y label you can write it amplitude. Okay. Now copy this part and paste after H, or you can write also here. Okay, no issue. Change H, and this is the also H, and write subplot also in the here this process. Use subplot 2, 2, 3 position. Okay. In the case of n values, I write it n values. Okay. Or this is 2. Correct. Now check out the answer. Okay. Now answer is this one, 15, 17, 15, 13, and this one 15, 17, 15, 13. Okay. Title is present there. Okay, values are present also there. If you think that, apply some changes, like if I will change this result, instead of +1 I will write it like that. Okay, check out the answer. Answer is same, that is 15, 17, 15, 13. Okay, answer is same. So I also show you already the formula, that is 0 to n minus 1. Okay, if you start with a 0, then write it m plus 1 here. Okay, and if you start with a 1, then write it like that. Okay, this is all about the circular convolution process. Okay, and if I take a 3 values, then what is the result? Okay, this is my result. And if you want to see the values, then how much values I am taking, then what you will do, remove the semicolon from this side and check out. Okay, now in this case x is 1120, padding is there. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you everyone. Jai Mata Di.